dear students? I hope you are all fine and safe at your homes. So we have entered into 10th class. In our last Zoom class, we have seen the face sheet of your first unit, personality development. So now, as a part of personality development, we are going to learn A reading. Attitude is altitude. Now let's move on to our lesson. So before beginning our session, we have objectives. After this lesson, after this session, you will be able to know the meaning of attitude, altitude, understands that disability is not an obstacle to success from the case of Nick Vujicic. So in this lesson, we are going to study about a person called Nick Vujicic, who is a torso. From the case of him, you will be able to know that disability is not an obstacle for success. And you will be able to learn new vocabulary and the short forms used in our conversation. So these are the objectives of my today's session. In our last class, we have discussed about different cases of people disabled but became successful in their life. Now let's move on to our segment 1 of our lesson. Attitude is altitude. So attitude, the meaning of attitude is behavior or a feeling about something. Altitude is nothing but great height. So it's your feeling or it's your thinking about something which makes you to a great height or which elevates to your greater height. So in all the cases which we have discussed in the face sheet, like Sudha Chandran, Stephen Hawking, Helen Keller, Louise Braille and Preeti Srinivasan. So we have discussed and we have seen about all these people. Though they are disabled, they became successful in their life. So they became a role model for the disabled people. These people at some point of time, they also felt disappointed, but they have realized the value of their life and they became successful in their life and they became the role models for the people who are disabled. So it's not, the disability is not an obstacle for achieving anything. It's not an obstacle. So it's our thinking or it's our feeling about something which makes us to a greater height. So attitude is altitude. So the statement is attitude is altitude. It's your thinking or feeling about something which makes you to a greater height, which moves you to a greater height. So now in this lesson we are going to talk about a person who does not have either arms or legs, but he became successful in his life and became a role model for many people, and he is a good motivational speaker for many people in the world. Now let us move into the lesson. Now open your textbooks, page number 3, along with a notebook and a pen. Note down the hard words. Listen to me carefully. Where I am reading, point your finger. And note down the hard words and write their meanings in your notebook by referring to the dictionary. Now listen children, I am reading. Imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning, to help you scratch that itch, to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Imagine having no legs to kick pebbles down the street, to walk or run, to bicycle or skateboard, or get you from point A to point B. Then imagine both at once, which is what Nick Vujicic has faced his whole life. Have you heard something like this before? See, so imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning. So let us imagine that if we don't have any arms to stretch in the morning, stretch is nothing but to extend. To extend. So you should imagine that we don't have arms to stretch in the morning to help you scratch that itch. Scratch means to rub to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Wrap means to cover. So you have to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Imagine having no legs to kick pebbles down the street. So you should imagine that you don't have legs to kick pebbles down. So how is the situation when you don't have arms, when you don't have legs to kick the pebbles down the street, or to run, or to walk, or to ride a bicycle or a skateboard, or when you want to move from point A to point B? Can you imagine? No, we can't imagine. At some point of time also we can't imagine ourselves without both arms or legs. So now we are talking about Nick Vujicic, who has faced his whole life without arms and legs. Now let us look into his case. Nick Vujicic was born with no arms and legs, but he does not let the details stop him. The brave 26-year-old, who is mainly a torso, plays football and golf, swims and surfs despite having no limbs. So Nick Vujicic was born with no arms and legs. So this person was born with no arms. So he does not have arms, he does not have legs. But though he does not have arms and legs also, he did not give up. This brave 26-year-old person, who is mainly a torso, that is, he is having only the main part of the body, not having arms and legs. But though he doesn't have both, he plays football, he plays golf, he swims and he surfs despite having no limbs. So though he does not have arms and legs, he does all these things. Nick has a small foot on his left hip which helps him balance and enables him to kick. So he is having a small foot on his left hip which helps him to balance and enables him to kick. Enables means makes possible. What is the meaning of enable, ma? To make possible or helps. What is the opposite of enables? Enables is helps, meaning, and opposite is disables. Enables, disables. He uses his one foot to type, write with a pen and pick things up between his toes. So he uses his foot to type, write with a pen and pick things up between his toes. So he uses this foot which is attached to his left hip to type and to write with a pen and to pick up the things between his toes. I call it my chicken drumstick, joked Nick, who was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. I would be lost without it. So I call it. What is it here, ma? Here it refers to the foot which is attached to his left hip. It refers to the foot. I call it my chicken drumstick. So chicken drumstick is, that is the joint which is used for, which we use and we eat. So I call it my chicken drumstick, joked Nick, who was born in Melbourne, Australia. So he was born in Australia, but right now he is living in Los Angeles. I would be lost without it. So he would not have any support if he does not have his foot. Due to his faith as an evangelical Christian, Nick has chosen to remain a virgin until marriage. So he mostly or completely believed in Christianity. So he believed Christianity and he remained as a virgin until marriage. So bachelor. Virgin is nothing but bachelor without any relationships. He is very modest, but he gets marriage proposals from women all the time, said Nick's friend and publicist Steve Appel from Los Angeles. So he is very modest. Modest is nothing but fair. But he gets marriage proposals from women all the time. So every time he used to get the marriage proposals from women, said Nick's friend and publicist Steve Appel from Los Angeles. So she is the woman who is telling that Nick used to get the marriage proposals. He would love to get married and start a family, but he is waiting for the right girl to come along. So he wants to get married and he wants to settle down in his life, but he is waiting for the right girl to come along. So he wants to settle down in his life, but he is waiting for the right girl to match him. Water sports aren't Nick's only thing. He also plays golf with a club tucked under his chin and is a huge fan of the English Premier League. So water sports are not only Nick's thing. So he not only plays water sports like swimming and surfing, but he also plays golf with a club. Club is nothing but a stick. Club, the meaning of club is a stick with one end thicker than the other. I think everyone knows the golf stick. So he holds the golf stick behind, so that is under his chin, and he plays the game of golf, and he is a big fan of English Premier League. So this is the segment 1 of your lesson. So refer to the dictionary, underline the hard words and note down the meanings in your notebooks. So the new words which you have learned in this segment 1 is attitude. Attitude is nothing but it's a feeling or thinking about something or someone. Altitude. Altitude is great height. Enables. Enables is helps. Club. It is a stick with one end is thicker than the other, and we have short forms in the segment 1. Those short forms are I'd, that is I would, his, he is, aren't, it's are not.